Hello everybody, my name is Patrick Hypes and this is my Module 14 walkthrough, Rocket Food Delivery App Part 2. We're going to go ahead and kick things off with a customer profile. We're going to use Sabrina here. This week we added an account button down in the bottom right hand corner that when you select on it, it directs you to the customer account page where you are able to update a few fields, including the customer email field and the customer phone. The primary email, which is the email that is used to log into the app, is set to read only, meaning they cannot update that field. The customer email and customer phone here are the methods that will be used to contact the customer. So as you see, we click that update account, we get a successful updated message there at the top. I will show you that on the back end side after this walkthrough on the app. Jumping back out here, we'll go ahead and we'll select a restaurant. Okay, same thing as last week. The functionality is all still there. The create order button doesn't appear until things are added into that cart, and things can only be added and removed using the plus or minus button. You cannot type in a value into those fields. So when you're satisfied with your order, you're going to go ahead and click create. We then see that order confirmation pop up, which gives us a summary of what we've ordered as well as our grand total. The next step we added to this week was adding this message asking if they would like to receive confirmation via email or phone. By selecting in those boxes, you opt into that service. So with two little checks there, we'll go ahead and hit confirm. And there is our email confirmation coming through right there. So double checking this, we're logged in as Sabrina again. We see in the email body, it gives us our order ID number, 459, and that grand total that looks very similar to what we just saw at that 6172, and says they'll be on their way shortly. So jumping back out here, yep, sure enough, 6172. But let's see if it's also verified here in our order history. Okay, pending status right now, 6172, that's it. And it looks like our courier is Erica Gurr currently. Okay. So logging into Erica's. So with this Erica email here, she actually has a customer profile and a courier profile. So we've created this selection page that then gives her the option to select the customer route or the courier route. Since we just went through a customer demonstration, we'll go through the courier now and to verify that we got that order. So there it is. If you remember that email that we saw, that order number was 459. The address is there. That's where we're delivering it. And we see the status. If we click on the order's detail, yep, there's everything we kind of need. Again, that address will expand if we click on it. Okay. Throughout the process, when I'm ready to update her status, all I simply have to do is click on that button and it'll update in our database, which will then be sent to her as well. Now, cycling through all of these, once they are on delivered, it can no longer be selected again to change it back. So they've been delivered, status changed up there to deliver. Yeah. We'll jump over to her page here in a second. But again, we added an account option on the customer side. So we also added that same option for the courier, only this time it will change the courier emails and courier phone number for that profile. Let's go finish that out. Okay, again, update, and I'll show you those successes on the backside. So jump back out to this main page. Let's go ahead and log out. Let's log back in as Sabrina. Jumping into her order history. Okay, we then see that status is now from pending onto delivered. Had we been on this page during the in progress, it would have updated to the in progress as well. We can click on the view and we see everything is updated in here as well with that delivered. And then it even gives us the time when it was updated, which was 2:43. All right. So going back to the main page. And from here, I will now jump over to the back end or backside of everything and show you some of the code to get these updates done.